All right, tonight I'm talking about our lights that we have up on our house. We actually have them up year round. What we did when we were installing them is we put a little bulb right in here. So it just has a little screw that you screw in, and then you can plug it in right there. And then there it is going up to the lights. And with the actual lights, there's a little 3M sticker that you have underneath to put it up there. So I just wiped it down really nice to make sure that it was nice and clean so that it would stay there. These have been up for 2 years now, and I have not had a problem with any of them falling off. I was a little worried about that with the 3M sticker that goes up there, but I have not had a problem with that at all. What you see here, so on here we have our different apps. So we have garage lights, we have downstairs our basement lights, and then we just go to the outside. It'll take just a moment. Super simple to put up. I think it took us an hour to get them all up, but now that we have it updated, we go back to our app and you can just go to a specific color. You can go to scene, it can be to music. You can sketch and have each light be different, or you can come down here. You have life lights, festival, natural, and emotion. So maybe you just wanted white lights. Change the color. Maybe you go down here to leisure. Change the color. You can go to, say, what is that one? Sunrise, if you would like. Festival, you can go to Halloween. So there's different Halloween ones. When it's time for Christmas time, you can go to Christmas, Mother's Day. So different settings that you can have for it, which is pretty sweet. And then you can also go to like game day. Like if you are a certain fan of a certain team, you can go game day mode and do that color. If you want it green, whatever it is for Packer colors, Eagle colors, blue for Cowboy, whatever it is that you want. But different settings that you can have set up with it, which is awesome. And we have our everything set on here. We have a timer set so that it goes off at a certain time of the night, but a lot of different things that you can do with it. We love our Govee lights. We have them up year round. Very, very bright color, as you can see, middle of the night right now. So I mean, not middle of the night, but early evening right now, but it's extremely bright. So if you are looking for some lights to put up on your house year round, or even just some Christmas lights, I would highly recommend these. You don't have to have them on the rest of the year. We have them on just because we like how bright it is. But I would highly recommend taking a look at these. Thanks.